video eh. Ay pag ramen coffee kay nanay. One.
With flake, ikaw lang na flake.
Ah,
So, unsa imo ramen raisin and
Ramen raisin and chocolate.
ramen raisin and chocolate. Then my one is salted caramel and toffee crunch. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh.
Can I get a double waffle cone? First one would be chocolate and ramen raisin. And then the second one would be salted caramel and toffee.
Sorry, chocolate ramen rice.
Yes, please. Gusto ko nice flavor.
Huh? I know, okay. Jaja?
Busot ang cone.
Arabit? Silaw? Wala ba?
Ito no. That's why it's ramen raisin, you know.
Oh, manuwi ka. Duol ka. Kung sa New York pa ito nga salida, mga ito, mga sila.
Wow, din yung salita ba?
Yung sigaw sa mga white.